In this video, we will do an unboxing and preliminary setup for a EWS356-FIT. We can view the label on the left side of the box with all the information about your access point. Inside the box contents, we notice there is a top cover with information about your access point. The QR code on the left side is to get access to the Quick Start Guide. The QR code on the right is to download the mobile app. The FIT Express mobile app is one way to manage your access point. Now we have the EWS356-FIT access point. On the bottom, we have the label with all the information corresponding to this unit. In this compartment, we have a DC power jack, a female Ethernet connector, and the reset button. On the right side, we have some accessories. We start off with some ceiling mounts, some zip ties, and a bag of screws and anchors. Please keep in mind that the AC power adapter is not included. If you are in the need to power your access point with an AC adapter, you can purchase one through our website at EnGeniusTech.com. To configure the access point, simply power the device through a PoE switch or AC adapter. In this demonstration, I am powering the access point through PoE. Please allow a couple minutes for the access point to fully boot up. There is 3 ways to manage this access point. 1 is to access the device via its assigned IP address. 2nd is through the FIT Express app. 3rd is through the FIT controller. For this demonstration, we will log into the device by inputting the assigned IP address into the browser. The default username is admin, and for the password is admin as well. Congratulations! Your EWS356-FIT is ready to be managed and configured. Make sure to watch our setup videos in our YouTube channel. Thanks!